Hey you guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to another video. Last week I launched 5 new Fantastick lipsticks with Linda Hallberg Cosmetics, my own brand. And today I want to talk a little bit about the lipsticks and I'm gonna swatch them on my lips. Let's just talk about the packaging first of all. Isn't it cute? So we kind of upgraded the packaging a little bit. Both the names and the packaging is inspired by the 80s because I'm born in the 80s. They are named after words that were popular in the 80s. Let's get into the shades. Extra is a transparent shade with pink and champagne glitters inside. So this is like the perfect, you can just have in your bag and you can just use it without a mirror. It's so comfy and nice and it's not like gritty at all. It's so beautiful on the lips. So I don't know if you can see the glitter inside. It's a beautiful, beautiful like neutral shade that works with everything. And also all the shades has SPF 15, so you are protected from the sun while you are wearing them, which is amazing. This is so nice and it's really pretty as a highlighter as well because all of these are multi-use, so you can use them on your cheekbones as well. On my cheeks right now I actually wear the next shade that I'm going to use and it is Cultured. Cultured is a Terra Cotta orange shade that turns either more to the red side or orange side depending on your natural lip shade. So all of these shades are quite sheer, which make them different on everybody's lips. I think it's a really pretty summer shade, also very nice for fall. This was actually the hardest color to develop because orange overall it's quite difficult because it usually gets patchy, and that was the case with this shade as well. But we really like this kind of dirty orange shade that Cultured turned into, and as I said, as a blush like I have now, amazing. And the next shade I'm gonna bring up is, I think this is gonna be like the best seller of all of these shades, Famous. Famous is a nougaty, very natural shade that really melts into your own lips. And also depending on your lip shade, this will be lighter or darker or warmer or cooler. So just because I do a swatch on my arm, it doesn't mean that the shade looks the same on your arm or on your lips. Famous is also very easy to apply, so you don't really need a mirror to apply it. I think this is one of my favorites. It will always be one of my favorites because it works so well just alone or with a smoky eye or with some colorful, just whatever. I think this is a beautiful shade that suits pretty much everyone. Next up is I Die. I Die is a very bright coral shade. The funny thing is that these shades that we developed for this launch, we have been asking a little bit like here and there, like what kind of shades do you miss in the range? What do you guys want? And so we collected the 5 most wanted shades and we did them. We have made this launch together with you guys. So what do you think about this one? Like, I love all of these new shades. They are so pretty. So let's go to the last shade, Pop. Pop is a bright fuchsia shade. And this has a cool undertone, but also depending on your lip shade and your skin tone. So on me, this shade becomes very cool toned and it brings out my eyes very much. Also, these lipsticks, they are a perfect complement to if you are having like a dry liquid lipstick that you just want to like put some moisture on. You can just put these on. I mean, you can put Extra on any shade. And then on the other ones, because they're so sheer, they work very well to a lot of things, which I think is very nice. I am totally in love with all 5 shades. It's so fun to have made something together with you guys. I want to continue doing things together with what you want. So please tell me in the comments, like, what do you want? What do you like to see from my brand in the future? And is there something that you think we should have done better? Just get it out there. I just want to hear everything. That's all for this video. I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you again next week. And next week I'm gonna show you this makeup, so don't miss that. See you then. Bye.